Hello everyone, I'm Dana here. Welcome to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. Today I am going to share a cheesy egg omelette recipe with you guys. This is a great way to start your day. So let's get started.
Here are the ingredients that we need for our cheesy egg omelette recipe. Firstly, I am going to finely chop our half onion. Then I am using couple of cherry tomatoes. Add these into our eggs. I have also added 2 teaspoons of water into the eggs. This will give us the fluffiness to our omelette. Add salt and pepper to your taste and mix everything well. Heat the pan and add the 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can also use butter here. Pour the eggs mixture into the pan. Make sure it's spread evenly. Using a spatula, gently lift the cooked edges of the omelette and tilt the pan to allow the uncooked eggs to flow underneath. Continue this process until the most of the liquid egg has been cooked. This takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Add some extra pepper on top. Sprinkle the shredded cheese over one side of the omelette. I am using cheddar cheese. If you have other preferences, feel free to use. This will be the filling for our cheesy delight. Fold the omelette in half, covering the cheese filling. Cook for another minute until the omelette has cooked through. Garnish with extra sprinkle of cheese and some fresh tomatoes. Our cheesy egg omelette is ready. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel to see more delicious recipes. See you next time.